The openness of our technical system is now a very, very important lever in the digital transformation that the industry is currently undergoing. Openness enables customers to make their work easier and faster, to adapt the visualization exactly to their needs, to carry out dedicated data evaluation, and thus to make the entire process of creating the visualization much more efficient. SIMATIC WinCC Unified offers various functionalities in the area of openness, including control, automated control of the engineering system, extending the visualization with your own controls, your own visualization elements, and access to the runtime data at runtime in order to be able to carry out data evaluation or forward data to MES systems, which is a very important aspect. Through automation via openness, we enable the customer to generate his project automatically, to have the generation of very many data objects run automatically. He does not have to operate TIA portal himself, nor does he have to start TIA portal at all. He saves a lot of time during project planning and work and can concentrate on planning during the course and generation of the project and on the topics that he wants to deal with after the project has been created and the visualization has been generated. WinCC Unified already offers a large number of controls that enable the user to implement his or her own visualization ideas. But if that is not enough, we offer the possibility of expanding the visualization with own elements. This can be created completely freely by the user in order to adapt the visualization exactly to his needs, to his ideas, and thus to create the visualization for the end customer that is tailored exactly to the customer's needs. What excites me most about the openness theme is the various possibilities we offer the user. We offer the programming languages C#, C++, or JavaScript to create automation for the different areas or to expand visualization. We also offer interfaces such as OpenPipe and ODK in order to be able to access the runtime data in a targeted manner, to extract data from the runtime in order to be able to evaluate it either directly on site or to forward it to an MES system, for example, in order to be able to carry out dedicated data analyses. In summary, openness offers the possibility of saving a lot of time in project planning through automation. By expanding the visualization and introducing your own ideas, you can easily tailor the visualization to your exact needs. And it is simply fun and offers a lot of possibilities to realize oneself in it.